frame. They can't lie down or stretch their legs. They never see the light of day ever. And I mean never. Day in, day out, it's all the same. Ever. And I mean never. Your life is sent in vain. How is it? How do we hurt them? We turn our heads from their